Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the lighting of an LED using Arduino. We can light a LED both by using or without using breadboard. Let's light a LED without using breadboard. To light a LED without using breadboard will be needed an Arduino on a board and a LED. The wiring, as you can see, the small leg of the LED is in GND and the long leg is in pin number 13. As we are using pin number 13, that's why we does not require any resistor, because pin 13 itself is a resistance based pin. Coming to the code, in the code, as you can see, we have initialized a variable LED with 13. Next, coming to the void setup, we have declared the pin mode as output. If in case we are using push button or any other sensors, then the pin mode will be input. Next, coming to the void loop, here we are just using the digital write function to light a LED. To give power to the pin, high keyword is used. In case if we want to turn off the LED, we have to just change the high keyword to low, keeping in mind that the low keyword should be written in caps. Here we are done with the code. Before uploading, we must select the board and the port that we are using. To do so, we have to go to the tools next to the boards and select your desired board from here. Similarly, for ports, you have to go to the ports option and select your desired port. Let's upload the code to see the desired result. As you can see, our LED is glowing without any breadboard and resistor. Thanks for watching, and for more tutorials stay tuned and subscribe our channel. We will be back very soon with our new videos.